playing the treble strings. It's based on a psalm, Psalm 63. God, you're my God, you're my God. God, you're my God, you're my God. I will praise you to A major, to C. You are worthy, so I will praise you. I could also play it here. And I go right to C. As long as I live. And then here's the second part, D chord. Singing lips, my mouth will praise you, C major 7. On my bed, I remember you, E minor. My soul clings to you through the watches of the night. E minor to A, suspended, A major suspended, to C. As morning breaks, you are my strength, you're my life. So we give you praise, give you praise. Harmonics. With the harmonics, I'm just plucking the string with my ring finger and then touching the string lightly with my index finger right at the 12th fret. So easy, it's hard. Lord, I long to see you in the sanctuary. Your love is better than life, so I lift my hands in sacrifice. You give me life. Again, the moving bass line. If you have any questions, just message me. I'll try to answer them. Again, Guitar Bobby here. Thanks for watching on this beautiful day. God bless.